this is how I am. I'm a messy person, and you just gotta deal with that. Let's paint my face pink, yeah? I'm using this FX Diamond face paint. These are water activated, so I like to get it to like a thick consistency before I start putting it on my face. Should I spray it with this also? Why not? Okay. I'm looking over here at my mirror, and that's just gonna have to be fine. Hi, I'm back. My battery died, but I feel like you can't leave the face painting train once you've already started. So I'm full face painted now, and I'm gonna start on my eye look. I'm adding a little dimension with this brown. I'm gonna cover all of this up with pinks though. I'm gonna cover up anything that is not already pinkified with this guy because I left a gap. The camera's having a hard time. I left a gap on my eye, as you can see. Because I don't know how close you're supposed to let your face paints get to your eye. I decided against it, you know? Also, she has this like blush situation. Kind of like all up in this area. So I'm gonna start to add that as well. Kind of shove this into my hairline also. Maybe I should be setting with this color. I'm taking a darker pink, this one, putting that under my eye here for the like blush effect that she has. And then I'm gonna like do a tiny bit of contouring to bring some like shapes back to my face with this like dark red color. So like under my nose a tiny bit. And then right along here. I feel like this looks crazy right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna add this like sparkly pink all over my lid. It's just gonna look weird until it comes together. There's some like shine happening. Is this taking the shine down on camera? No, not really. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back in with this burgundy to add some dimension to my eyes. It's crazy how gray my lips look in contrast. Maybe I should put my lipstick on so I stop being so distracted by it. I'm gonna use this color on my lid, like that. Actually, I'm just gonna use this as like the highlight for my whole face too, because it's like pink toned. So a little bit there. We'll add like some here, but I don't know what that's gonna do. So what I wanna do, I'm sure you saw the transition already. What I wanna do is I wanna do like one Persephone with like the little white outfit, and then another one with like her full queen outfit. I'm gonna use this guy, Sugar Pill Heart Strings, for my lips. There we go. Now my lips look less gray. Let's do my eyebrows. Hers are really like thick and black in the book. Should I do that? I'm gonna do my normal eyebrow and then we'll see how I feel about like doing it bigger. I'm just taking Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color medium brown. It's probably fine, right? It's probably fine. And then the Kat Von D tattoo liner is still my favorite liner. So we're gonna do a simple line now, and then I might do something more for the other version of Persephone. Yeah. Simple now. We might do more later. And I've been toying with the idea of like drawing on the little like lippy lip things in black, just to make it seem more like cartoony. What do you think? How do we feel about that? I've probably already decided. I mean, I have already decided because you're watching this after I've already done it, but I'm gonna think on it for a bit. Let me guess. I need to take this off. Here, we'll just take it down like this. And I think I just need to like, to here. And I think I need to do my ears too. But these piercings are still not happy with me. Sorry, just painting my boobs real quick. Should I get in my armpit too? I should have shaved. Oh well. I saw a Dr. Pepper ad today that was like, sports ball, the only reason to paint your face in October, basically. And I'm like, yeah, totes. I'm doing this for sports ball, for sure. But I was like, Dr. Pepper, the fuck? You're alienating a lot of people right now, bruh. Take down my hair real quick. And we'll see where we're at. Should I do little eyelashes too? Okay, I did the lip thing, but I didn't film it. Let's put on our first outfit and I'll be right back. All right, this is what we're doing for first Persephone. Plop some little flowers in my hair. And she has these little like space buns and a little white top, and then I'm gonna put a fur coat on, and we're gonna film the first part of this. All right, let's do the second part of this. Okay. I'm gonna add more black, do some darker eyeshadow here. I'm gonna get some black in here. I wanted to add lines here. Should I do like these big false lashes? Yes, yes I should. Yes I should. Should I add anything else to this look to make it more like evil-y? Okay, okay, is this good? I feel like, yeah. Are you ready? Are you excited to be blue?
Yeah.
I hope this, oh, Puggy.
Oh, hi Rogue. Oh, hi puppy.
Okay.
She'll get blue as well. Oh, it's very light blue.
There you go. It's gonna dry a lot darker.
Ah.
Yeah. Let us.
Are we done?
Yeah,
just like
all
this?
done.
Wait, how are you gonna get my eyes?
You're just gonna have to deal with it.
No! I'm not gonna make terrible noises.
He says. And
No,
then
that was
proceeds to
no. I
make-
was just clearing my throat.
Oh, I'm sure. Wow.
The normal.
Wait, hold on there.
I kind of look like
This is Doubtfire.
no, the guy from in Thor:
Can you look
Love and
upwards?
Thunder. The main villain
Oh,
in Love and Thunder. You know what I'm talking about?
yeah.
I mean, I think people are gonna know that I do have not blue skin.
What? The illusion. Oh my god, you look horrifying.
Do I?
Yes.
Thanks.
It's so scary looking.
I kind of look like
Michael Myers.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's do this side of your face in like the dark.
What? That's so...
Don't move your eyebrows.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to be there at any time, really.
What time's to start? 8?
Yeah. How are we?
It's 7:16.
Okay. Let's talk about it. Your face looks crazy still.
Good?
It looks like kind of good, but like if I had more time, it would look a lot better. But I didn't have a lot of time.
That's what happens when I have to do this right after work.
You can't tell. You can't tell, but she's Cerberus. Look at him. Look at it. Look at her. She hates it. She hates it. After this clip, we left in a rush, and I never filmed an intro or outro because apparently I forgot how to make videos. But I hope you liked it, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, bop, and choose the path, and just go with it. Bye.